Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a wrap-up video of 2019. And today guys, we're going to talk about a few of my favorite products and some of the things I did that I felt were extremely important to my hair care this year. So let's get started. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is a few things that I did. In the beginning of the year guys, one of my first videos I did was I checked the porosity of my hair. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically when your hair is high, medium, or low porosity. I have videos on that. I will show you guys the video I did for the beginning of the year. I'll have clips for you guys and link to go check it out, how basically you do a porosity test. And I wanted to know if my hair was high, medium, or low porosity because that makes a big difference of how I take care of my hair, how I moisturize it, and the products and tools that I use guys. So make sure to check that out. It's a great thing to do because up until the beginning of this year I didn't check the porosity of my hair. It was always low porosity, but now my hair is high porosity, so that was important to know. The second thing guys I made sure that I kept up with was the protein and moisture level of my hair. I've talked about this a few times on my channel. If you guys seen the videos, it's important to balance the protein and moisture level in your hair because this is how you're going to keep your hair healthy. You're going to maintain the elasticity and stop it unnecessary shedding and breaking guys. So if you haven't seen those videos, please go check them out. It helps you grow and retain your hair length if you're able to do this, so it's important for your hair. Now another important thing guys you need to keep up with, what I did way better this year at keeping up with, is to make sure that you have a healthy clean scalp because yes, your body needs the nutrition to grow your hair, but if it doesn't have a healthy environment to grow in, it's not gonna grow very well if it grows at all. So you need a healthy scalp to grow it in. So make sure you guys are doing things like clarifying your scalp at minimum, I would say once a month if you use a lot of product like I do. I try to keep up and clear it every 1 to 3 months. So it's based on the product you use and how you treat your hair. Just work it out to see how it's going to go for you and keep up with that. And lastly guys is I did some mini braids in my hair. If you guys haven't seen my last few videos for the past few months, I did a protective style where I did do my mini braids, but then when I took the braids out, I kept my natural braids in. And I've been washing my hair and cleaning it and keeping up with it that way. I haven't taken those braids out, and they've done a great job at not only helping me save a lot of time guys because I'm extremely busy, but also it's helped me retain more length. I notice I have a good little growth going on. I love it. And also it's a great way to actually keep my hair from breaking and shedding unnecessarily because I have 4C fine strand hair, so a lot of manipulation is not a good idea if I want to see any length. So I noticed that they're doing a lot better and the ends look amazing, so I love that. I'm going to keep treating it. So let's move on guys to products. If you guys noticed this year I use a lot more natural products. Once in a while I would use a store-bought product, and that's because I wanted to try out see how my hair did with just natural products. I wanted to get my hair back to basic where I had just healthy, clean, natural environment to work with because I wanted to get healthier hair. I wanted to figure out what was going on with my hair, and I love those products. And my favorite product out of the ones I made this year, to be honest, is my shampoo. If you guys haven't seen how I make my natural raw black soap shampoo, check it out and see how to make that. I love it. My hair feels amazing and my scalp looks so clean after I do this that I don't even want to use anything else afterwards. So I absolutely love it. Now the next product guys is my light oil treatment that I did for this summer. I did it for the summer to use it to keep from using heavy products, but I've been using it all year guys and I love it. I absolutely love the way it feels. I love the way my hair feels with it, and it just works magic on my hair to not only add the oils that I need for my hair to grow, but I add things like aloe vera gel in it, and it's so hydrating. Actually, the first time I made a natural oil that's so hydrating, so I love that. The next product guys is the rice pudding that I made. If you guys haven't seen that too, go check it out. I love that rice pudding mask. It leaves my hair so soft, so hydrated, and the best part is how it makes my hair so manageable, so I don't have to get as much knots and tangles, so I don't get unnecessary breaking and shedding again. And it keeps my hair so healthy that I absolutely love it. There's so many benefits to rice guys when you use it in your hair, so go check that video out and see how I made it and how I use that pudding. And lastly guys, I started doing something a few weeks ago. I love it. I use this silk protein treatment in my hair as it's staying in these little mini braids because the silk protein is so great for not only holding moisture but adding shine, strength, and so much to your hair. And I use the Giovanni Xtreme silk protein treatment. If you guys haven't seen it again, it's one of my more recent videos towards the end of this year. Go check it out. I'll have all those clips for you guys. So guys, that's pretty much it what I used this year, the things that I did. I noticed they made a big difference in my hair. I absolutely love that. that. I'm gonna continue doing things like that. I'm going to continue to take more care of my hair and learning a lot more about natural hair, guys, because I definitely feel like I'm getting the hang of it now. I know more about what I'm doing and how to keep my hair healthy once it's grown out, and I absolutely love that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, guys, if you haven't already, it's my last video of the year. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and click my little subscribe button so you can be one of my subscribers, because next year I plan on doing so much for you guys. I'm excited about it. And of course, click the little notification bell so you'll know when I have my new videos out. And don't forget to leave comments, guys. Comments down below. I love your comments. I appreciate them so much. So go ahead and leave all your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button, guys. And of course, as always, guys, go over and watch my last video.